Yeah, sometimes they get a little bit. They're getting a little bit of teeth now, aren't they?
The puppy is growing some teeth. Okay, but look at he thought he was still for the ball. It's in the ball. This puppy is beautiful, isn't he?
Yes.
Can we keep him?
Oh, I don't think so, but he's very cute.
Is he a boy?
He's a boy.
Oh.
But we can play with him for a long time.
Yeah, that's fun. They like me.
No, they all do.
I was dreaming about us kids.
They're biting your fingers, Aiden.
Yeah, I know. It's okay, Mom.
It's okay.
They don't have any teeth yet. Even though they're 4, they still don't have any teeth. Makes me stop licking.
Mary.
Why is her... What's her holding in her mouth?
Here's a toy.
Oh. They've been crawling and crawling and crawling over here. Are you going to keep him?
No.
Why?
He's very cute, though.
He's a
Play
boy,
with him.
isn't he?
Yeah.